How do I maintain boundaries when I'm a people pleaser? Hi, I'm Caroline from Ninth Koi Coaching, and I help people who are in between stories in their lives discover their authentic selves and move to the next chapter with confidence and strength in knowing their personal worth. In this video, I'm going to explain to you how to maintain your boundaries even if you have a history of being a people pleaser. A people pleaser is someone that others consider to be helpful and kind all the time. The problem with being a people pleaser is you often put other people's needs in front of your own. And people pleasing is a learned behaviour, which means that you have to unlearn it. Boundaries can seem so hard to implement when you're a people pleaser because you probably haven't had a lot of practice or role models. Chances are your parents weren't great at doing boundaries and didn't give you a chance to implement your own as well growing up. So I have 2 tips for you. The first one is to start small. Implement boundaries that you find to be easy to write, easy to say, and those might just be really small ones. The second step is to start with safe people. In our lives, we have safe and unsafe people. An example of unsafe people or an unsafe person might be someone who has previously violated your trust, someone that you know is a bit of a gossip, someone who has not respected the boundaries that you've put in the past. An example of safe people includes someone that you've seen displaying the traits of acceptance and non-judgment, someone who validates your feelings, and someone who doesn't tell you how you should think or feel. So this is how you maintain boundaries when you're a people pleaser. If you'd like to take boundaries to the next level, you can download my Boundaries for Beginners workbook. I'll pop the link in the comment section below. Drop any questions or comments you have below and I'll get back to you right away. And don't forget to like, subscribe and follow for more tips.